Hey guys, temta sih ada ke last day jungi mta ne po Darjeeling. Te nane ngin atrin jungi kadai kendai bejedemet te ngilam check out kloy nane na po jakasa ngin di Shangka stage po yo na tu ngin sa ngin mi nane na yo kumba sau beje ngin lech po railway station ngin lech kam kloy namat ngin dal lech lem ru kan singjar ngi te ngin lech kam kloy po railway station te ngin Shangka te po railway station tu kena beje kat train jungi ni kong kadai pra beje tu kat dili no kat dili dai piang te kan tu kena beje te mlele dah kat dili ru ka yo ras ai mangi po station tem ta kidan ka jingle farewell ngi ma hanya wakini kitrai ten pani siama
Where is sir? Where?
Video
Okay, so no. So this is the ceremony. Okay, you want to say something?
So hello guys, so we are here in a quiet homestay at Darjeeling, Lebong, and we have a very good host, us, Mr. Sahil and Miss and his mom. They are very nice to us, and we stayed here for 2 days and 2 nights. And they are so kind enough, and the food is awesome. Do come and check out in their hotels.
Yeah, thank you.
So now they are doing the ceremony. We will be showing
So
them.
the link of his YouTube I will keep in description. So please check it out, guys.
Yeah.
And do support him also. Do subscribe.
Thank you. So this is the ceremony we do when someone leaves our place. So this is basically a Nepali and Tibetan ceremony. So this piece of cloth is known as khada. So khada is basically used in a good times as well as sad times. So good times when there is a marriage ceremony, when you're congratulating someone, or in the farewell or in the funeral, we use this. In Nepali culture, we mostly use white khada, which indicate purity, blessings, and luck. So we hope that you take all the blessings and luck and whatever you had, the memories that you had here, take along with you in the Shillong, and hope you had a great time here. We wish you guys all the best for your future, and the encounters and everything. And we hope that it was really pleasure for us to host you as well and create a small beautiful memories. And hope we meet and collide again. And somewhere in the future, we always have this experience of the connections together, right? We hope that you guys have a safe journey, and it was really pleasure hosting you guys. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. In a
अच्छा
Nepali
से
style.
जाना
Thank you.
Feels so good. Home away from home.
फिर आना
Come soon. आ जाइए फिर से.
हाँ.
Okay.
Thank you, auntie.
अच्छे से जाना
Drive safe,
Yeah.
Drive safe. It's really a pleasure.
nice.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Yeah.
Bye,
You can
guys.
take
Just say bye to our
a- Bye. Bye.
Hey guys, minta ngila dan ne po yo ne te
Lebong.
ha yo lebong te bi in jaka kali kamai ne na po yo lebong seti po yo hi seti sa po ba song ruwe tin ab yang hate te ngin se kendo tang hate te ki benai ne kerman biang ki benai ban sawan ngin sawan biang kai senis po Darjeeling. Yeah.
Rawan jalan tu, rawan jalan family, banuan tak anut yang one show
Alright.
Nama lari cang tu jaka.
Bendur ban itu best pelat kama. Alright.
Ini kita sih jumbo.
Tengok tiang ni dan atlet troli atlet bag bat kawi ka bag bahaya. Seni barat jan khambuan kumbawan di jan mut wan di jan kon han ne ngam tip res ne ke sistem ke tang ba kham penan kam hire brokhan penan kam tang atu kan ne ngalong ra tang khandiat wa ra sibun jutiru ra kum tu si badi mut plan dia juti sini sport Darjeeling ra akum tu kum ba wan di sini te yang no so kan ni tiru ngahapan final itu terakhir la phone ni spang tinggal si request to up bang idang up kali bang empat kali te ya te guys ngidang sudah wan boya ki truli ki bag ne po dukan sha hinwan songla se kane ka rubi nomor ba ibi kwa song pala dia kane ka rubi angin rung haning tip kan no bai tiket tang bang sabat dai ping speed ma tiket kan
Kan remeh.
ta thaj dai kia tong tu Yan,
Tika train lo kala dile. Aduh saw genta. Mantep ngan yo train jam na
Mene nak kandai bajia menta mene kandai bajia kan poi menta ong hadu khru je kan ni ta entry ban song ruwe nanti ni siapa ni Web Flop dai
Ada ban iman hadu lai baje iman kasih entry tiket.
Janat dai
Nama tanguway je pete. Ya i.
rồi
Masai tanguway je.
Tharai
Tangkaway ka kali kan.
la sushi
Piti ba?
manga abab pilih jalani hi produkan sya
Nalek kan yang pan jing becang yang tiba-tiba ka khang lo tang ko lai baje.
la sushi
Ti.
sa syong no na lek kor semulai kan sate ni yang fishing ni biang ya
Nama tajung piti ha.
berkabri bala dem syong kan basubang enjoy
Kejar lo laki doksa.
dapat kesa hey guys ay tanah ha ibang ka view
Pet kini bara kiti garden.
oh ni saya nakan ti guys bangin pai te guys ni kham yo sho bangin song rube number ba kila sene sau baje kala khang tem tangi lahab li pai no support station tengin si thui phi sau kan next destination ngin le ai mangi te sa pai pen koi kan video ban ngin si thui phi sake ke jaka ngin dang lek biang mo te ya ngin ya no kali ru according to driver te ya mi no mo
Bye Darjeeling.
sa showing ngin lai
Ti kani kedai ke supermarket. Chowk Bazaar na ye? Main bazaar na Chowk Bazaar. Tinang ni ngin yo ya ke kali Siliguri. Kali Sikkim. Kali Sikkim ru nang ni lot ki kali. Kalongkom ka Anjali ha ka snong jungi dai. I mean ha ka jala jungi mo. Wow.
Hi guys, tem tangi dan hande po railway station ni dang abyak train ka hado arbaje kan sakoi train jingi. Te hajing songka ni lap katkan dan boki pat pangila samno mumu menne. Darjeeling. Long bobang bos ngilabam ni podukan ubang ba. Te yang ini yabam muno sa pangilatkan. Alia, yabam lang guys, wan. Kan padan, yabam baik. Ma.
Mijing nang penbang.
Bang ha. Got
So the train expert is here. Babe, hi Shini.
Halo guys, tim ta train jungi ka kawan tingi ladan po train ta la bo TRA dia kene ka sip ke jungi bat kene ko ne padai dia bat kadan ru kawai ma ka good news ka ba masin poi mane ne apoi kawai ka phone call dia man nganu mi thu da mata ke ta ka good news ngan se thoi kisya akan next ka video bansawan te ada hikwan tep ke kata good news ba saya pe ya kan next video bansawan ke jonga bas ya like share dan tahi dan perkolah ni kene ke video okay bye bye good night